All right, so Merry Christmas, everyone. Right now, I'm gonna look at Jasmy. It hasn't done a lot since I looked at last, but why not look at it on Christmas Day? So right now, we're at 0.0031, 3/10 of a penny, 31% of a penny. And what is going on? Let me start on the daily chart and work our way up. So daily chart's already trying to get the bounce here. Clearly, that support line failed. Um, but trying to get the bounce. Struggling, but I mean, you are in a small uptrend now on the daily chart again. We'll see if it can hold. That's kind of the uptrend you're in right now. And trying to get the bounce on the daily RSI down here. So the 4 hour chart, though, 4 hour chart got overbought. That's a lower high in the 4 hour chart. So to me, right now, the 4 hour chart is bearish, and you have this pattern forming right now, which is going to be a symmetrical triangle. So that is kind of what you got going on right now. Actually, I would say instead of a symmetrical triangle, you had the dump. To me, this is more of a bear flag. You had the dump, that would be the pole. This is the flag, and if that's really what you're going to say it is, which that is pretty much what it is. This was the top of the last high. The last macro high was at 38%, 39% of a penny, and the low was obviously down at 2.9. So this would be your measure move if it is a bear flag. Bear flag target is all the way down at 217. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. I mean, this is not financial advice, but this is just the TA speaking. If you do consider this a bear flag, the target is 217. So unfortunately, you made a lower high in the 4 hour chart. We can check out the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart right now, kind of trying to make a double bottom here at 3.0, but I would say this: if you don't hold 3.0, I would say this bear flag is probably going to play out down to 217. If you want to be conservative, you can say 22% of a penny, but that is the measure move. If you do not hold this 3/10 of a penny support, I believe the bear flag will play out down to those targets. Right now on the 1 hour chart, you are still below the 200-day moving average. The 4 hour chart, you are also well below the 200-day moving average. That's all the way up at 37% of a penny, we'll say. That's the easiest way to say it. And the daily chart, you're also well below the 200-day moving average. This is probably one of the worst performing coins of this bear market, so I would not be surprised at all if you saw 2/10 of a penny. It's continuing to bleed out, and I'm not saying it's going to happen overnight, but I do think based on the daily chart, if we saw 2/10 of a penny in the next month or two, I would not be surprised at all. If it happens much sooner, so be it. As long as you stay above 3/10 of a penny, then you can be bullish, I guess, short term on it. And but if you don't, then that's the target is 22% of a penny. So that's kind of all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video or have other coins you would like me to look at, let me know and hit the like button. If you don't like this video, just make sure you hit that dislike button twice, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas, everyone.